Today we're answering the question of whether or not the Beats Studio 3 Wireless are still worth it today in 2018. Hey guys, welcome back to That Modern Dude, your home for tech and modern lifestyle videos. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing down below and follow me over on social for some behind the scenes. So like I said at the beginning of the video, we are looking at the Beats Studio 3 Wireless. These are the premium headphones that Apple sells at the moment, and they have been on the market for a couple of years now without any major updates. I wanted to talk to you about whether or not they're still worth buying now in 2018. Now, there are plenty of reviews of these on the internet already, and if you want one of those more in-depth ones, we'll link a couple down below. But what we're talking about is whether or not they're still worth the purchase. Now, these have been on the market since 2016, which is when they were fully refreshed. So you're looking at a 2-year-old product. Recently, Sony has updated their line of noise-canceling headphones. We do expect those to be doing the same quite soon. So there's a good chance that these Beats will be updated very, very soon. 2 years is quite a long shelf life for tech products these days. So the Beats Studio 3 Wireless, these are great for traveling because they do have active noise cancellation, so you don't get the noise of the plane in the background. Good for video editing and casual music listening. In terms of audio experience, you're not going to get the highest fidelity audio. You definitely got to spend a lot more money if you want something like that, but I will say that the sound quality is definitely good. I'm not an audiophile, but I've not had a single complaint listening to music and editing videos on these. I think the bass is very well controlled, definitely there, but not too overpowering, and the mids and treble, I have no complaints with either. The active noise cancellation is definitely not the best in class. It works, but it's not the best. Battery life is phenomenal, to be honest. I barely even think about the battery life on them. It's rated at about 20 hours without the cable, but of course you do have your 3.5mm headphone jack cable that comes in the box, so you can listen without them being wireless as well. The thing I love about these is that they do have Apple's proprietary Bluetooth technology that allows them to connect to your Apple devices very, very seamlessly and sync across iCloud, which is great. So this will connect to my laptop, which is a MacBook, very quickly, and if I pick up my phone, it'll switch. I absolutely love that feature. One thing I don't like about the headphones is this top headband here. It is ever so slightly cushioned, but it is not the best, especially when you consider the hard headband that goes around. But I will say that these do feel pretty comfortable on the head. It is ever so slightly heavy, and the ear cups aren't the largest out there, so your ears might get a little bit fatigued around the top and the low, but again, it's still very comfortable for what you get. Another great feature is that they do collapse into a nice portable package and come with a hard shell carry case with waterproof zippers as well, I might add. So they are definitely very portable. Design-wise, Beats are still one of the better looking headphones on the market. Some of the other headphones at this price point, like the Bose QC35s, are definitely not my favorite design out there. In comparison, the Bose looks cheap and plasticky and just not that appealing. And I think with something that we're going to be putting on our head and, you know, rocking out there for the world to see, I think aesthetics is a very important factor that not a whole lot of companies seem to be paying too much attention to, at least in this price point. Now, obviously, if you want to spend $500-600 on headphones, you are going to get nicer looking products, but you're paying, you know, extra money for it. So at the moment, these come in at just a little bit over 400 Australian dollars. Is it worth it? I'd probably say not right now. If you can pick these up secondhand, they are going for about $200 to $300. By all means, grab them at that price because it is definitely worth it. You have wireless connectivity, active noise cancellation, which is good, not great, and they're relatively comfortable and they look pretty good. But I definitely wouldn't recommend going into a retail shop and paying the recommended retail price for these at the moment. I reckon they will be updated in the next 6 months. Like I said, 2 years is quite a long shelf life for a tech product. To answer the question, are the Beats Studio 3 Wireless worth it in 2018? Yes, but only if you buy them secondhand or at a reduced price. If you can get it at a reduced price, you're going to get a really good product for the money, but again, probably not worth investing the full retail price for them at the moment. Anyway, guys, this was just a quick video. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below. What headphones do you rock? Do you like the Beats Studio 3, or do you think they're getting a little bit stale, a little bit old? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Yeah, until the next video, guys. See ya.